Hello.
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 Remind me to pick up Alex 9.
Slideshow mode.
Hi, we're a team of product designers and engineers from India working day and night for the last 2 years to create Aina. We spent the last 6 months working at Qualcomm's Hardware Accelerator in Bangalore to connect with the right manufacturing partners and accelerate product development. Aina is the first device that makes use of the powerhouse your smartphone truly is. It connects with your smartphone via Bluetooth and uses behavioral AI algorithms to learn your smartphone usage habits, analyzes this data, and predicts shortcuts for you, so you see the right shortcuts at the right time on Aina. And these shortcuts keep getting more accurate as you keep using Aina, making it a device that is truly personalized to you, a device that mirrors you. We have the final prototype of Aina ready, and the funds collected from this campaign will be used for tooling and certifications to mass manufacture Aina. By backing this project and supporting us, you will be one of the first in the world to get Aina in your hands. Back us today to redefine the way we control our lives.
Introducing Mao-Zhen. Mao-Zhen is an innovative armrest designed to optimize the position of your wrist and reduce pain while working with your mouse and keyboard. Mao-Zhen takes 6 seconds to install, and it's so beautiful, you'll never want to take it off. With its ergo flow mechanism, Mao-Zhen allows you to move freely and comfortably, supporting your arm in a natural state and forcing you to maintain an upright posture. Did you know that an average user makes up to 7,000 mouse clicks every day? But not all repetitions are good. Maintaining your wrist in an unnatural position can be associated with repetitive strain injuries, tendinitis, and potential risk of the carpal tunnel syndrome. We've designed a concept that keeps your arm in a natural position to relieve wrist tension and shoulder pain. Mao-Zhen is a result of more than 1,000 hours of development and countless reiterations, giving birth to a groundbreaking ergo flow mechanism that supports your arm and allows it to move freely in all directions. Dear Kickstarter community, with a working prototype, Mao-Zhen is now ready to hit the production line. Pledge to our project today, build a more ergonomic workstation, and create a healthier and more productive future for yourself or your employees. Ergonomics designed. Mao-Zhen.
Your eyes see the waves. Your ears hear my voice. But does your nose smell the ocean? Does your skin feel the salty breeze? It's time to add new dimensions to virtual reality. Introducing Feel Real, a patented multi-sensory VR mask that allows you to smell, to sense, to feel the digital world. Equipped with a unique sense generator, it allows you to smell various scents, from guns to roses. The built-in microcoolers and microheaters will allow you to sense the cool breeze and the heat of the battle. A hard punch will feel 10 times stronger with an adjustable vibration feature. And the water mist on your cheeks will take your virtual surfing from this to this. However groundbreaking Feel Real may be, it is still lightweight, wireless, and easy to connect. Feel Real perfectly matches and quickly connects to all popular VR headsets. The patented scent generator contains a set of 9 removable aroma capsules that can be easily changed depending on a movie or a game you're about to play.
From thousands of scents, we chose a unique variety to recapture the atmosphere of games and movies at their best.
All the aromas are safe to inhale and similar to those used in the food industry. Download FeelReal tracks online. Run your favorite movie through FeelReal app and allow your nose to enjoy it just as your eyes and ears do. Fire a gun in VR and smell the gunpowder, or scale a mountain and feel the cold wind on your face. A whole range of popular games are already supported by FeelReal. Dive into one of the rich virtual worlds offered by our free FeelReal Dreams experience that utilizes every feature of the mask. Or use FeelReal as an aromatherapy device and enjoy next-level relaxation, meditation, and other sensual experiences. We designed FeelReal to be easily modifiable. Customize any movie with FeelReal effects. Add your own scents and share your creations. To make FeelReal real, we went through 4 years of prototyping, testing, and restless iterations. Now, we're launching on Kickstarter to fund the manufacturing process and give you the ultimate sensory experience.
I think I smelled pine, roses, chocolate, coffee. I know I got wet. I know I felt wind. I know I felt warmth.
So you get the sense that you're with her and you're experiencing not just what it looks like, what it sounds like, but what it smells like, feels like. The mist is really, really cool.
I was very impressed with the waterfall, the cool breeze. That made me smile a lot. I was like giggling. That like really brought me to that experience. And I thought a lot of the flavors smelled really good.
Support us now. Be the first one to smell, to sense, to feel the virtual world.
The desire to explore the unknown has pushed mankind to create game-changing technology. Meet Subcruiser, a revolutionary jetpack that offers an underwater experience you never could have imagined before. It all starts with a wearable design, freeing up your hands and allowing you to explore the ocean autonomously. By fitting the 2 battery units and control box into an aerodynamic backpack, Subcruiser minimizes drag and maximizes your speed. By sealing the battery in an aluminum casing using the craftsmanship of underwater robotics design, you may dive to a depth of 300 meters without worrying about leakage. Connected to the control box is a handheld shifter attachable to your wrist. Using the Smooth Speed technology, the wheel allows you to speed up, slow down, or hover effortlessly. The propulsion units, with 2 powerful brushless motors, push you with up to 10 kilograms of total force, translating to up to 4 knots of cruising speed. A protective casing ensures mechanical safety. Whether you are a free diver, scuba diver, or an amateur enthusiast looking for more fun, Subcruiser can help you achieve total underwater agility and discover new excitements.